Hello, everyone. It is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance, the Baltimore, aka the NJ Strut. The song is I Want, and the artist is CHAKA. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction for this dance, I'll post it at the end of this video. Last but not least, I personally invite you to the NOLA Southern Experience 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, July the 16th through the 19th, 2026. Registration opens this year, June 1st, 2025. Please visit our website for registration and to book your room at www.lmiunola.com. And let's get it. over 17 years old. I saw it on YouTube, and the timeline is 17 years old, so 17 years. So just imagine, when YouTube wasn't around, they were doing this dance. So it's even older. So it's even older than 17 years old. Hey, that's a great workout. So my name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.